Here's another beginner-friendly way to make money online just for you guys. This does not entail a lot of skill, and if you're looking for a simple side hustle, then please keep watching this video. Welcome to Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. As I said, this video is great for beginners, and it's also a wonderful way to monetize your downtime. Say if you have a few hours extra in a day and you want to do something that does not require a lot of mental energy, this might be the job for you. The website that we're talking about today is called Rev.com. Rev actually offers transcription, captioning, and subtitling services to clients using a pool of freelancers, and that's where you and I can come in. It says on their website that they have over 170,000 customers worldwide and are trusted by companies such as Viacom, CBS, PBS, and TCM. Perhaps the easiest and most common way to make money on Rev is through transcription work, or simply converting audio and video files to text. This basically is just accurately encoding or typing words up on your PC or smartphone as you hear them. Besides transcription work, you can also caption and add subtitles to the same audio and video files. All of these jobs are done remotely and offer a very flexible work schedule. You can take on as much or as little work as you can handle. They pay 30 cents up to $1.10 per audio or video minute that you transcribe, or 54 cents to $1.10 for each video that you caption. And while the pay isn't necessarily high, it still makes for a great side hustle because just wanting to learn the ropes, wanting to get your feet wet, or you just want to start somewhere, this is a great opportunity to do just that. So let's go through what you'll need to do really quickly. Simply put, you watch a video or listen to an audio clip, and then you accurately transcribe it into a document file. So there's an endless opportunity for this right now because of how popular YouTube is and how popular podcasts are getting as an emerging medium. And while both YouTube and podcasts are awesome as they are, content creators are getting smarter, and they know that if they want to rank on Google or they want people to find out about them, their rich content still has to be converted into text. So somewhere in this video, I'll be giving you 2 bonus websites where you can do transcription work apart from Rev. So please make sure that you stick around for the entire video to increase your chances of finding transcription work online. Before we proceed, I just wanted to make something crystal clear, and it's that Rev and other websites that offer transcription jobs will pay you for each audio or video minute that you transcribe and not the number of hours that you work. It doesn't matter to them how much time it takes you to complete a job. So let's say you're a fast typist and you can transcribe 1 audio minute in 3 minutes time, including the time it takes you to listen and to double check your work, then this means that you can be making $60 doing 3 hours of work. However, if you don't work that fast and say you have a low to average typing speed and you complete 1 audio minute in 8 minutes time, then you would be getting $60 for 8 hours of work. The good thing about Rev is that they release payments weekly via PayPal. So as long as you have a verified PayPal account, then you can definitely try this out as a side gig. Another good thing about Rev is that there's more than one way you can make money on their website. So the first way was what we just talked about, which is transcription. And basically anyone can do that. Like I said, it's very beginner friendly. We also touched on captioning and what the rates for that job would look like. But the third way is if you're fluent in a foreign language, meaning a language that isn't English, then you can make more than double what you would make as a transcriber. It says here that subtitlers are paid as much as $3 per minute, which is pretty awesome. That's up to $180 per 60 minutes of audio. Again, this rate is computed per audio or video minute that you transcribe instead of the number of hours of work that you put in. So depending on how fast you're able to work, this could mean $180 for 3 hours of work or $180 for 8 hours of work. So if you think you want to give Rev a shot, here's how you can do it. You simply go to rev.com/freelancers and fill out the details on that page. They'll be sending you a link via email, and when you click on that, you'll be made to take a few tests just to check your English proficiency and comprehension. And once you successfully complete that, then you're good to go. Now it's time for the bonus I promised to share with you earlier. Besides Rev.com, there are 2 other companies doing the same thing as Rev, and I wanted to share both of those with you. The first one is called Transcribe Me, and same as with Rev, you can opt to do basic transcription or transcription with translation. At Transcribe Me, your account balance will be visible on your dashboard, and you can transfer the amount to PayPal as soon as your account balance reaches $20. The other bonus website I wanted to share with you is called Scribby.com. Again, this is very similar in nature to both Rev and Transcribe Me. You can visit Scribby.com/jobs to apply. So all 3 sites, Rev, Transcribe Me, and Scribby, will require you to go through some tests to check your English comprehension and proficiency. And when you complete that, you have plenty of jobs that you can select from. The good thing about Scribby is that your account will be credited with the appropriate dollar amount with each piece of work that you submit. Because there are so many people eager to make extra money online these days, the transcription jobs available on these 3 sites do go pretty fast and can get pretty competitive. It will be best to sign up to all 3 platforms to be able to more easily access jobs and monetize your free time. If you'd like more ideas on how you can make more money online, we have a ton of those that can help you out, so do check out the rest of the videos on our channel. I'll also leave some links for you down below, and you can just simply click on those. If you found any value in today's video, then please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all the good stuff because it really supports our channel. Guys, don't forget to start working on your goals right away because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started today. Thanks again for watching and signing off until the next one.